I can see this, it'll be a miracle.
Hey guys, come the dark days of summer. The dark days of summer? How about the long days of summer? How about August? How about the end of August? When the end of August is here, I know I'm going to revert to this clip, probably to this whole video, and start dreaming of the winter season again. Brain dead. I love when I'm brain dead. It's too late, too tired. Isn't this a fantastic little shot here, though? And like the beauty of the snow bike is just, I've ridden so much of the terrain around where I live on snowmobiles over the years, and now it's just fun again to not have to work as hard for it and to be able to really poke out those places where on the sled it was kind of like, if I go there, this could be gnarly or bad. And now on the snow bike, like, check it out. So it's pretty cool. Anyways, guys, if you're new here, please subscribe. And if you're just here as usual, hope you guys enjoyed the little video tonight. And please like and subscribe and tune in next time for more adventures on Jerry's Adventure Channel. Cool. Take care, everybody. Good night.